It's been dubbed the Macron Law by Bulgarian truck drivers, the EU mobility package that's been under discussion since 2017 when the European Commission put it on the table is furthering tensions between the east and the west of Europe. More details in the brief from Brussels. Bringing about fair pay for truck drivers from all over Europe. That was the aim of the EU's so-called mobility package that will be voted on by MEPs this Thursday. But it's brought about fresh tension between the east and the west, as this Belgian truck driver tells us.
A Belgian driver is too expensive for Belgium, and now they're looking for the east country drivers, Poles, Czechs, Romanian, Hungarian, and they are cheaper, but they're sending to Belgium with a contract in Hungary or in Romania or in Czech. That's a big problem now.
And European lawmakers feel the same.
At the moment, Eastern road workers have working conditions, rest and payment conditions that are obviously much lower than Western drivers. So their competitiveness is greater, and so they have captured the market, European, the international transport market.
Tell me how one French driver will be paid in Romania or in Bulgaria or in Greece with Romanian Bulgarian on Greek salary. It is a very unpleasant mask that they want to fight for some social rights. But in the case, it is the fight who to be the capitalist. It is not the fight for the workers. They just want to take us out from the market. We are accusing Chinese that they are doing the same with European Union, what the Western countries want to do with the countries from Central and Eastern Europe.
The Bulgarian MEP, just like many of these protesters, want to see the vote postponed until the new European Parliament sits down to work in July. The European Parliament will have their final say on that EU mobility package at a European Parliament plenary session this Thursday.